In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn dates into quarters, months, and weekdays in Smartsheet so you can organize and report on your data more effectively. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the date column you want to use. Make sure the column is set to the date type so Smartsheet can recognize and process the values correctly. Next, create 3 new text number columns and name them quarter, month, and weekday. These columns will display information derived from your date values. Now, click into the first cell of the quarter column and enter a formula that determines which quarter the date falls into. Once the formula is working correctly, convert it into a column formula if you want it applied automatically to every row. Then move to the month column and enter a formula that extracts the month from your date field. This can be configured to display either the month number or month name, depending on your reporting needs. After that, use the weekday column to display the day of the week associated with each date. This allows you to quickly identify whether a task falls on a Monday, Friday, or any other day. As new dates are added to your sheet, the quarter, month, and weekday columns will update automatically, helping you group, filter, and analyze your data more efficiently. This setup is especially useful for project tracking, resource planning, and dashboard reporting where time-based insights are important. That's it. You've successfully configured Smartsheet to convert dates into quarters, months, and weekdays automatically. Thanks for watching.